I'm Zushu Li at the Advanced Steel Research Center, WMG, University of Warwick. The project I lead is using blast furnace waste heat to convert various waste into new raw materials for low-energy glass manufacturing, supported by the industry partners from glass, cement, and steel sectors.
What is the vision for this project?
So the long-term vision of this project is to develop an innovative process to use waste heat and convert waste into new raw materials for glass manufacturing. And the aim of this Transform Foundation Industry Network Plus project is to create fundamental understanding and critical knowledges supporting the development of such an innovative process.
What have been the biggest challenges so far?
So this is a small but ambitious project involving theoretical modeling from first principle, extensive laboratory research, and economic analysis. We want to prove the innovative idea is feasible and promising in such a short period of 6 months' time. That is the biggest challenge. Luckily, we get the industry support with the information we needed and the raw materials and good management skills. We have managed to achieve what we have proposed in the project.
Are you already making a difference to the transformation of foundation industries?
I think the difference we have made from this project is the results so far have proved the innovative idea is promising. So from laboratory research and theoretical modeling, what we have seen, those hard to utilize like glass fines can be added into the molten blast furnace slag to make value-added, high-quality raw materials for glass manufacturing.